My name's Pete Rainford and you're watching Rainford's Wood Studio. Today I'm going to be building edge grain cutting board. Hey! Oh, it must be Christmas. It isn't, it's September. So, I have a couple of pieces of white ash, a piece of black cherry, look at that, next to it, look at that Paducah. And then we've got some European oak, 2 pieces, lovely timber, look at that, I love oak. And then we have a piece of American red oak, beautiful. Okay, time for the glue up. So I've got my ash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of ash, 2 pieces of purple heart, and 2 pieces of European oak, which at the moment is pretty certain when the oil hits it. So I'm going to be using Everbuild D4, which I know a lot of people use Type 1.3 for this, but Everbuild D4 is the equivalent. Okay, so the glue up appears to have gone well. I've left it overnight. It's had a good 15 hours. So I'm just going to take the clamps off and clear up the excess glue, all the squeeze out. So, cleaned up as much as glue as I can, and now it's going to go through the planer thicknesser. As you probably noticed, there's a lot of burn marks on this ash, oak and the purple heart. The blade on my table saw needs changing. Hoping that takes that off, should do. If it doesn't, the sanding certainly will. Anyway, fingers crossed. Planer time. Sanded, feels lovely and smooth, every surface. Time to put either a round over edge on this board with the trim router here, or 45 degree, and I'm not sure which way I'm leaning to, so decision time. Which would you have? Leave me a comment down below, then I'll know for the next. Okay, so I bought one of these plastic containers from Amazon the other day. It'll just catch all the oil when I come to apply the mineral oil to this beautiful chopping board in a minute. And this is the oil I'm going to be using. I bought 5 litres because I intend on doing more on these. And it was a good price as well. Wow. I made some board butter or conditioner from mineral oil and beeswax, and now I'm going to put it on beautiful board. Look at that. I'll post a link on how I made that in the description below, and hopefully post a link on the screen. This is oiled yesterday and has been drying overnight. I soaked it for about 15 minutes in mineral oil, so now it's just get a cloth, board butter, good helping, and just spread it on. And this board is completely reversible, and you want to do both sides anyway, but to protect it, because this prevents the ingress of water. That's the board all waxed up as well. This is the first board I've ever built. Does it show in my tone of voice? So I'm really impressed with it. Hey! That's this finished. Beautiful, isn't it? This isn't going up for sale. It's going in my kitchen, and it's going to be used predominantly as a breadboard, I think. Hence why I didn't put any juice grooves in it. In the description below, I'll put a list of materials that I use for this board, including obviously the timber, the glue, the oil, butter I made. There'll be a link to a video I'll make about the butter, conditioner, some people call it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. If you've enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Shabba.